Okay, somewhat a little lighter here today. Let's have a little chat about contacting us, helping you. This is a simple arrangement that one of our leading dealers, Derby Motorhomes, has come up with. They're very conscious of customers needing support, and whether they be old or new, customers that is, and also what they're wanting to try and do is make the customer understand there is a lot of help available. Sometimes it's not possible, but a lot of the time just that word of advice or that deal that you were trying to get and putting off can be actually reserved, or all add to things that make a big difference. Troubled times we all know, but the thing is there's been some fantastic offers due to the economic decline, taxation wise. All these things have slowly gone away, but sadly we have this mammoth problem at the moment. But Derby Motorhomes have a simple philosophy to help customers wherever they can, make sure that they're accessible, they're online, they have joined the virtual showroom with us here at available-today.com, and it makes a big difference. You see, I guess there is always going to be somebody looking for a deal, and it may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, or a month's time, or even a year's time. But if they know a friendly, happy dealer who will always help them with any queries or any questions, then that's got to be really something to embrace and see how it all turns out. So contacting us, helping you. It's as simple as that. And online you will find them derbymotorhomes.com, or basically follow the links from available-today.com, and they're in the virtual showroom with all their stock as well, new and used, quality auto sleepers, been around for a long time and really do want to help all of you. Take care everybody.